Western Massachusetts has many opportunities and openings in advanced manufacturing fields, but according to company owners, there aren't enough skilled workers available to fill those job openings. I visited Peerless Precision in Westfield and Advanced Welding in Springfield, two companies looking to grow, and found the challenge is really finding workers. KAITLYN FRICKE works at Peerless Precision Manufacturing in Westfield. The 22-year-old is a graduate of Pathfinder Regional Vocational Tech in Palmer. She earned her associate's degree in mechanical engineering technology from Springfield Technical Community College.
While I was at STIC, I was offered a paid internship to work here, and I took the opportunity, and that's how I ended up here.
Peerless manufactures precision machine parts for the aerospace and defense industries.
When I first started working here, everybody was very inviting. They didn't just kind of throw me on a job and tell me figure it out. Everybody was really helpful and helped me to get my confidence up to where I could work by myself confidently, and it was really awesome.
The company is owned by Kristen Carlson.
There's not a lot of us out there. I definitely encourage more women, more girls to get into the field. I go out and I speak to middle schools and high schools all the time, really focusing on the young women there and how awesome it is to be rocking as a woman in a male-dominated industry. In aerospace, we're making components that go into engines, fuel injection systems, hydraulics, landing gear assemblies. On the defense side, we make components that go into the smart missile systems for the U.S. Navy. For the firing mechanisms, we also make components that go into the cryogenic submicro cooling systems for night vision and thermal imaging cameras. When they found the Boston Marathon bomber underneath the tarp in the boat, that camera was our customers, and we actually found out that parts that were made in our shop were in the camera that found the Boston Marathon bomber.
Rick Collingwood is the shop foreman.
I graduated from Westfield Technical Academy in 2000, and I started here as a co-op student my junior year in high school, and I've been here ever since.
The husband and father of three says he made the right career choice.
I think it's a good career. There's always room for advancement, and it's been good to me.
Entry-level workers make $15 an hour, but go up quickly from there. After about 5 years, those same workers can make up to $50,000. And for recent high school graduates, it's an attractive offer because Peerless also has a college tuition reimbursement program. Carlson says experienced machinists can make up to 6 figures. Peerless has 34 employees, and Carlson is looking to expand. The problem she and other manufacturers in the area face is finding skilled workers.
The unemployment rate is low right now, which is good, except for those of us who are looking to hire. So experienced people, we're either taking them from other shops or you just can't find them. The majority of our new hires are entry-level, little to no training beforehand. We turn them into the machinists they need to be. Peerless has an expansion planned to start next year, and I've got the space on the other side of our building, but what it's going to come down to is where am I going to find the people when the expansion's done.
Carlson met recently with KIELB, the president and owner of Advanced Welding in Springfield, for a roundtable on the issue of creating a pipeline of skilled workers. According to Mass Hire Hampden County Workforce Board, over the next few years, there will be 1,400 job openings for production employees.
A skilled workforce is a huge problem, not just for the welding industry, but for the precision machining industry. But you need a skilled workforce to do either the machining side of things or the welding side of things. And we're just not graduating enough students to help fill that pipeline with the aging workforce.
KIELB says all high schools, not just the vocational high schools, need to expose students to the trades.
For years now, a couple decades, it's always been graduate from high school, get a college degree. And right now we know we have so many people with college degrees who can't afford those college degrees, and they don't know anything about welding or machining, and they just can't find a job.
That was not the case for David Ortega. He graduated from Chicopee Comprehensive High School. The 21-year-old is now the lead robotics programmer at Advanced Welding and recently bought a house.
One of the big things my friends are dealing with, they're getting out of college right now, and the big thing they talk about is that they have like $100,000, $50,000 in debt already, and that scares me so much. So.
But that's not your situation.
Yeah, that's not my situation, not at all.
And with not enough skilled workers to fill the open positions at companies in Western Mass, Ortega says high school students should consider all of their options.
I did the vocational program through Chicopee Comp, and that was my big, I guess, stepping stone into this industry. And from there, it was, I guess, word of mouth that I came to Advanced Welding, and from there, they've taken care of me very well, and I'm really happy here.